Producing more with less, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with no unexpected interruption, managing possible limited resources, and ensuring the reliability and availability of the assets. A huge challenge for the maintenance program. Knowing this, ANDRITZ has developed innovative solutions using its experience in industrial assets reliability. PSI, Performance Study Implementation. More than a consulting service, ANDRITZ aims to be a partner through the PSI team to increase the industrial assets reliability and working life, raising the factory availability and production level, as well as paying attention to the cost of delivering this reliability. Not a consulting service or requiring an extensive outsourcing of maintenance. While the mill maintenance team focuses on routine actions, a small ANDRITZ team of subject matter experts focus on improving reliability. Our proprietary methodology allows the team to carry out a comprehensive mill assessment, finding its bottlenecks, main problems, and opportunities. That means it can identify what compromises the mill availability the most, as well as maintenance costs in order to break the vicious cycle common in industrial plants. From that, the ANDRITZ team is not limited to simply delivering improvement suggestion reports. By using PSI, ANDRITZ commits to improve performance and reducing unexpected events. Our personnel work in the mill as maintenance team partners, leading the action plan implementation necessary to improve the plant reliability and availability. Through PSI, we offer driving the maintenance program to world-class performance, quick and easy implementation without huge structural changes, online monitoring of assets to diagnose conditions and predict failures, thus raising reliability. Proven proprietary methodology that provides effective results. Benchmark and solution data bank of existing issues through ANDRITZ's global contracts network. Expertise in continuous process as an original equipment manufacturer and services provider. Incentive pricing based upon improving the performance of the maintenance and production process in order to guarantee an excellent payback. PSI, bringing the benefits of ANDRITZ technology, its worldwide contracts network, and manufacturing expertise has never been so easy for you.